people from outside the country to destabilize. I didn't say they brought people to destabilize. What I said was that the idea they actually brought people into the country with the intention that those people will come and vote for them. I think you understand? And they never realized, they never knew, they were never convinced that they were going to win that election because PDP was very, very strong on ground. So the fear was that they were going to lose the election. So the only thing they could do was to bring in people who could serve as mercenaries to come and win elections for them through the back door. But when the new PDP came on board and joined them and to form the APC and won the election, they didn't know what to do with those people. And in the process, those people became uncontrollable. Many people have spoken about that. You've mentioned a name now, although I hate to mention names. You've mentioned a name now. You've mentioned the El-Rufai. He talked about them.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Still Wednesday, the 2nd day of July 2025. Nigerians are so vulnerable. Because of that, they are victims to false hopes. How would you forget so soon that in 2014, the last time Nigeria had a coalition in this country, and that coalition was led by people like Atiku Abubakar, Tinubu, Buhari, the same Bukola Sariki, Dino Mendayo, the same people you are seeing. That coalition imported 3 million Fulani terrorists into this country. Go and fact check me. If you discover that what I said is not true, stop following me. Because Nigerians have short memory. They don't think, they don't reason. The coalition imported about 3 million Fulani terrorists. I am not the one that said it. They came to national television. They still confessed. Sometimes I will be thinking, is this country a normal place or what kind of place are we? These people imported 3 million Fulani terrorists. They armed them. They asked them to come and vote for them so that they will be able to defeat Jonathan. And after they came, Atiku was in PDP. He defected to APC. Dino Mendayo was in PDP. He defected to APC. Bukola Sariki, to mention but few. And they removed Jonathan. And that time, all these people you are still seeing vibrating today, they vibrated. I'm talking about your activists you are seeing today. They all vibrated that time. Jonathan must go. Ask them, what is now the result of that coalition? What is the result? Nigerians are easily to be deceived because of our vulnerability, because we don't have where to put our hope. It is difficult to comprehend that the only way to save this place called Nigeria is to make sure the least, I'm talking about the least thing you have to do, is to go back to 1960s and 70s and understand why Ojukwu and Gowon had a Aburi Accord. Go and read your history. Students of political science, students of history and go and read and understand. Now, in this video, I'm going to leave you with so many, video clips